Okay, hello again, my students. Let's start this example here. Example number 3. He said for the network shown in figure 3 below, apply the superposition theorem to find I2, which is the current through resistor R2, and the voltage drop V2, which is across R2. So again, in this circuit we have two sources. So I will keep this source and I will remove this source for the first time, then I will reverse. So let's start now. Number 1, you will using what? E only. Okay, so let's redraw the circuit. So I will keep my current source, voltage source as it is, and I will remove my current source by opening its terminals. So here positive, negative 36 voltage, which is the source voltage E, R1 12 ohm, R2 6 ohm. Okay, so what I need to find here, gentlemen, I need to find I1, okay, prime. So check the circuit, guys. If you check the circuit here, you will go with the current from here, okay, and the current will moving like that. So the current will not pass from here because it's an open circuit, so nothing, okay, will go on this side here. So it's a series circuit, so we can say that R, no need to find, okay, let's find R total prime. It's equal what? R1 plus R2, because they are in series, which is 12 plus 6, the answer is 18 ohm. Okay, so it's a series circuit, so we know that, guys, the current will be the same. So let's find I total now, prime, which is equal, okay, the voltage source over R total prime, which is 36 over 18. The answer is 2 ampere. Sorry, it's 2 ampere. Okay, so this is I total. So we can say that I1 prime should equal 2 ampere because it's a series circuit, and the current will be the same. Okay, how to find V1? Again, V1 prime, it will be what? It will be I1 prime multiply. Okay, he need I1 or he need, okay, sorry, he need R2. So let me change this one to 2 here, and this is 2. So let me find now V2. It will be I2 prime multiply R2, which is, okay, 2, because the current will be the same, so nothing changed. So 2 multiply R2, which is 6. So the answer is what? Is 12 volts. So this is V2 prime. So from the first source we found I2 prime and V2 prime. So let's go to the next source now. Okay, let's say number 2 here. Okay, using current source only. So what I will do, guys, I will keep my R1 as it is, R2 here, and this is my current source, and please check the direction. It should be the same of the main circuit, and I will remove my voltage source by shorting its terminals. So here is R2 6 ohm, and here is R1, which is 12 ohm, and here is 9 amperes the current. Okay, let me use another color to check the direction. So look here, guys, this is the current direction. It will come here and it will be divided between R1 and R2. So it's mean what? It's mean R1 and R2, they are in parallel to each other, and this current source, which is 9 ampere, it will be divided between them. To make the life easy for us, guys, okay, let's use okay, the current divider rule. So by current divider rule, it will be what? I2 double prime equal R1 over R1 plus R2. This is the special case formula, okay, for the current divider rule, and it will be equal I total double prime, which is 9 ampere. So here it will be 12 plus 6 multiply 9, it should equal finally 6 ampere. You have to check it by yourself, gentlemen. So this is I2 double prime. Okay, what I need to find else? I need to find V2 double prime. It will be I2 double prime multiply R2, which is 6 multiply 6. How much? It will be 36 voltage. Okay, check. Okay, 36 voltage. So this is my V2 double prime. So is that the final answer? No, it cannot be. So this is only primes. So this is by using each source individually, but I need to find the actual value. So let me use another color here, which is the red color. Okay, and see number 3. So number 3, it will be only what? Adding and subtracting, which is by using both sources. So I need to find I3. What is that? Okay, I have the problem with the number today. So I will have I2, okay, actual value, and even that I will have V2 actual value, no primes this time. Okay, so it will be I2 prime plus or minus I2 double prime, and that's depending to the direction. So let me use the green color again and check the direction, okay, for both circuits. So from the first source here, it's clear to me I2 it will be down, yes or not? So just have a look to the circuit, gentlemen. As you can notice, the current will moving from the positive side, then it will have the direction up to R2, it will be down. When I check, okay, the second circuit here, again it will be what? It will be down. So okay, for the both, okay, circuits, it's having the same direction. So it's mean what? It's mean I will add both values. Okay, so it will be I2 prime plus I2 double prime, and the same thing for the voltage. Okay, same direction for the current, same, okay, polarity of the voltage. So V2 prime, it will be plus again V2 double prime. So I2 prime, we have, okay, we found it as 2. So 2 ampere, sorry, okay, plus I2 double prime, which is 6. So the answer is what? Is 8 ampere. What about the voltage? In the first circuit we found it as 12. Okay, as you can notice here, gentlemen. So it's a 12 plus 36, which is equal 48 voltage. Okay, this is one method. You can find V2 by this way. Okay, finding prime voltage and the double prime voltage, then just add them, or make your life easy. Let me use the blue marker color here. Go back here. So no need to find this one. Okay, this is another option for you guys. Okay, just find I2 and come here, guys, and again find I2 double prime, and do not find this one here. So if you found this line, okay, by using the previous, okay, currents I2 prime and I2 double prime, let me remove this line here. Okay, what you need to do, guys, let's say that like that, V2 equal, okay, I2, which is the actual value, multiply R2. What's the actual value? It's the 8 ampere, so 8 multiply 6, which is R2, okay, it will equal 48 voltage, okay, which is the same of this one. Okay, so this is my advice to you. If you need to check, you can do both, but if you need, okay, to find the answer in the easiest way, so just find I2 by using the superposition theorem, then find V2 by using, okay, the Ohm's law. So this is A and this is B. Okay, guys. Okay, before okay, moving to the next material, let me tell you about something here. Look here, guys. Okay, the superposition theorem, as you can notice, by using the superposition theorem, we found, okay, the current and the voltage by using what? I2 prime, I2 double prime, V2 prime, V2 double prime, and the answer comes to us. But you cannot, okay, using the superposition theorem for the powers. What I mean, so it's mean that, okay, the superposition theorem, it's applicable for the currents and the voltages, but it's not applicable for the power. What I mean, so you cannot say that, for example, V2 equal B2 prime plus B2 double prime. No, this is not equal to each other. It will give you a wrong answer. What I need from you guys, okay, you have the value here, okay, for example, for the I2 double prime, and you have R2, just find P2 double prime, and again find P1, okay, prime, then add them, and check it with the P2 actual. May you ask me how to find P2 actual, teacher? I will say to you guys, okay, you have okay, I2 here, the actual value, and you have even V2, and you have R2. Just apply any, okay, formula of the three forms of the power and find it. It will give you an equal value. So just keep it in your mind that, okay, the power is not, oh sorry, the superposition theorem is not applicable for the power. It's only applicable for the voltages and the currents. I will leave this one for you guys to check it by yourself. So if you have a question that's find, for example, P2 here, so what you need to do, guys, let's bring the actual value of I2 without primes, okay, I mean this value here, okay, for example, or V2, then just apply the power method or the power, okay, formula. Okay, let's move to the last part in this subject here, guys, which is, okay, a practice part that you need to do it in your home, okay. Look here, guys, this is a practice exercise. Let me help you, okay, to understand the both exercise. I have exercise number 1. He said, for the network shown in figure 4 below, use the superposition theorem to find the following: I4 and V4. You have, okay, two current sources this time. So again, for IS1 one time, and you will remove IS2, then find your, okay, prime values. After that, okay, replace it, so use this source this time and then remove the IS1 and find the double prime, okay, values, currents or voltages. After that, find the actual values by adding and subtracting. It's a very easy, okay, example here. So the answer, it's here, okay, this is the I4 and this is the V4. Okay, let's go to the exercise number 2. In this exercise here, guys, okay, how many sources we have? Can you check? We have, okay, 3 sources. We have E1, we have E2, and we have the current source. So what I need to do, teacher? We need to find, okay, the I1 and P1. So forget about P1 now, okay. Let's find I1 prime, then find I1 double prime, then find I1 triple prime. So I1 prime, for example, using let's start, for example, with E1, okay. So by using E1 we will find, okay, guys, I1 prime. By using, for example, E2 we will find I1 double prime. By using the current source, Okay, we'll find I1 triple prime. After that, check the direction, okay, for each one of them. So check the direction, okay, of the current, okay, while using E1 and while using E2, then while using I source, and add them or subtract them depending to the direction of the current. So for example, if you have, okay, for example, this source here and this source having the same direction, so you will add and you will subtract it with the opposite direction for the current source, or maybe this one and this one the same direction and opposing this source. So just check it by yourself, guys, and you have the answer here. I1 should equal minus 3 ampere. If you found if you find I1, okay, just use the value I1 and use the value of R1 and find the power. So again, you cannot find P1 prime, P2 double prime, P1 prime, P1 double prime, P1 triple prime, because of what? Again, the superposition theorem is not applicable for the power. Thank you, gentlemen. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this class. This is my name, and you are welcome to contact me through my email. I think you know it. This is the one. Okay, Ghamdi, HA at gic.edu.sa. See you, inshallah, in the future.